Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Tendrisana Mursalim, and now I would like to explain about one of the topic has given. The topic is English teachers as a profession. So as we know, being a teacher is one of the profession that many people hope for. Being a teacher is not easy, where the teachers are required to have a good character and personality. This is because being a teacher is not only about transfer the knowledge, but also be a reference or example for students on how they will behave. But what if students don't take the teacher as an example in their behavior? So this goes back to each student. When a teacher has given an example or the maximum effort so that students can behave well, but the students remains a dissident, maybe this is a factor in their environment. When an individual is in a good environment, their behavior will follow what is in their environment. But on the contrary, if they are in a bad environment, their behavior is not far from it. So one of the profession of a teacher is to become an English teacher. English teachers is also a profession where English teachers maximize their focus on English lesson in the midst of many opportunities to become educators. English teachers are a very much needed profession, considering that the function of English as an international language means that English became a bridge of communication between human in various parts of the world. Therefore, the government needs to prepare the generations who have more knowledge in the field of English. We can meet at the various universities in Indonesia. English study program is very much in demand. Every year, students who continue their education in the field of English continue to grow. One of the reason we commonly hear is because they want to become a professional English educator. They have a great desire to create a generation that is not blind and deaf about the English language. So an English teacher also needs to inform that English doesn't only function in school, but also in everyday life. English is very close to our lives. For example, in the use of electronic media, almost all of which use English. In addition, English is also needed in the world of work, where there are not a few job opportunities whose tests with use English. So far, this shows the importance of the professions of an English teacher. Learning English in formal or informal education is very helpful for students in developing their skill in field of language. When students don't know how to express their ideas in English, they can ask the English teacher about it. We can see technological development in this current area. Many technology experts have made new breakthrough in the effort to streamline foreign language learning. One of which is making various applications that can be used as a self-taught learning media. But again, the robot or the computers cannot exceed the capabilities of the human's brain. In conclusion, when the students use the application to solve their problems in mastering English, they also need to ensure the truth of what is obtained from the application. One of which through the English teacher. So the English teacher can explain what can explain about what the problems of the students. So I think that's all from me. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.